we were doing a film called Dawn. We started it about a year back, and it's a kind of film which lends itself to technology and style and hipness and strength. And I was talking to Ravi, and he spoke with his whole team at TAG, and they came up with this idea that we would like to design a watch with your inputs in it. And for some strange reason, they designed a watch which is called 69. I don't know how that came about, but it is called the Monaco 69. And I'm wearing it. It's a wonderful watch. It's a watch here. If you can wear it for dinner. It's whenever you feel like wearing it, a little formal, and then you turn it around, and it becomes a more sporty digital watch. And I really like that, because instead of having lots of watches, you have this one watch which sort of serves both the purposes, that you can wear it over jeans, etc., be a little sporty, and then when you want to be in a black suit, you can wear the other side. And of course the designing and the technicality is everything done by the topmost team at TAG, but they are being kind enough to say that I helped with the design, which I did, and that part is I've told them to write my name here. SRK in the first 100
provided
watches.
the inspiration.
Yeah, of course. 69 sounds very inspiring. With all due respect, I think it's a nice watch, and it is shown in Dawn, and it's really stylish. And I thank TAG for doing this, because this makes it very, very memorable. Thank you, Ravi. Thank you, TAG.